Okay, so we're going to think about rounding again. And I'm going to take that same lovely number, 2,118. And this time I'm going to just show you a different way to do it. So here is the number that I am rounding. And again, we're going to be rounding to the thousands place. Okay, so let's just remember thousands place, right? So I know this is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds. Here is the thousands place. So I know the number that I am looking for. This is my target number. I'm putting an X over it. So this is the digit that I am rounding to. So watch this. In order to figure out the numbers that I could round to, I'm going to take this digit 2 and I'm going to make every digit to the right of it 0. So instead of 118, I'm going to have 2000. This is going to be the lower number that I could round to. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add a +1 to that digit in order to find what's the highest number I could round to. So 2 + 1, boys and girls, is, you said it, 3. And now I'm going to make every digit behind the 3 become a 0. So this is the higher number that I could round to. And so now I have to ask myself that same question, and that question is the number I am rounding closer to the lower number or the higher number? So that's the question of the hour. So if I'm looking at 2,118, so remember, this is what I'm looking at here, 2,118. Is that closer to 2,000 or is it closer to 3,000? Well, I really am sure that 2,118 is closer to 2,000. And so I'm going to round this number down to 2,000. So think about the number line from the previous video, and that shows you why 2,118 is closer to 2,000 than it is to 3,000.